Hi, my name is Selena and I'm with Spectrum Lighting, here to tell you about our new Gamma series of cylinders featuring versatility of applications while offering a range of sizes and options. They are offered as 4-inch and 6-inch diameters with 6-inch, 12-inch, and 18-inch length options. The Gamma series offers multiple lengths to ensure appropriate scale within a variety of spatial environments and requirements without sacrificing performance or options. These cylinders are a well-rounded lighting solution offered in a variety of CCT, CRI combinations, interchangeable optics, a variety of lens media, and dimming drivers. These new designs feature all die-cast and extruded aluminum parts and are available in damp location or wet location. The wet location products feature custom molded gaskets and stainless steel hardware. These are available as surface, pendant, cord, cable and cord, and wall mounts. The wall mount version is a new design that features direct and indirect lighting options. We hope you enjoyed hearing about and seeing our new Gamma series of cylinders. Visit speclight.com for more information. Thank you.